Learning objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to define human resources, define distribution of population and density of population, list the factors affecting distribution of population, discuss population change and terms associated with it, outline the patterns of population change, explain population composition with the help of graphs. Distribution of population.
Human resources. It is the demands and abilities of human that makes them a human resources. The Government of India created it in 1985 to improve people's skills.
A nation's greatest resources are its people. Human resources are not distributed equally over the world. They vary in education level, age and sex like the other resources. Distribution of population. The manner by which individuals are spread over the Earth's surface is known as pattern population distribution. About 30% of the land surface is occupied by 90% of the world's population. The crowded areas of the world are South and Southeast Asia, Europe, and Eastern North America. Very few people live in high latitude areas, tropical desert, high mountains, and areas of equatorial forests. 3/4 of the world's people live in just two continents, Asia and Africa. 60% of the world's population stay in just 10 countries. Factors affecting distribution of population. Population density is defined as the number of people living in a unit area of the Earth's surface. Population density is expressed as per square kilometers. Average density of population in the world is 51 people per square kilometer. Countries with highest density of population are South Central Asia, East and Southeast Asia. Geographical factors. Topography. People mostly choose to live on plains rather than mountains and plateaus because these areas are suitable for farming, manufacturing and service activities. Example, the most densely populated areas of the world are Ganga Plains. Sparsely populated areas are mountains like Andes, Alps and Himalayas. Climate. People mostly avoid extreme climates that are very hot or very cold like Sahara Desert, polar regions of Russia, Canada and Antarctica. Soil. Fertile soils provide suitable land for agriculture. Example, densely populated. Fertile plains such as Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, Huanghe, Changjiang in China, and the Nile in Egypt.
Water. Human beings prefer to settle near fresh water resources. Example, Varanasi is densely populated area while the Thar Desert have very few people. Minerals. The region having abundant mineral deposits have more marks of human settlements. Example, South Africa is a country very rich in mineral resources and attract large population to settle due its global importance.
Social, cultural and economic factors. Social. Population is more in the areas of better housing, education and health facilities. Example, Pune. Cultural. People are more attracted to the places with religion or cultural importance. Example, Varanasi, Jerusalem and Vatican City. Economic. A large number of people prefer to settle in industrial areas as they provide more employment options. Example, Osaka in Japan and Mumbai in India. Population change. The change in the number of people during a defined time is called population change. Population change is due to changes in the number of births and deaths and migration. Natural growth rate refers to the difference between the birth rate and the death rate of a country. Births are measured using the birth rate, that is, the number of live births per 1,000 people. Deaths are measured using the death rate, that is, the number of deaths per 1,000 people. A migration is defined as the in and out movement of the people of an area. Migration is another way by which population size changes. People may move within a country or between countries. Emigrants are defined as the people who leave a country. Immigrants are defined as the people who arrive in a country. Pattern of population change. Rate of population growth is different across the world. Kenya has high population growth rates because of high birth rates and death rates. With the improvement of health facilities, death rates have fallen. But birth rates still remain high, leading to high growth rates. In United Kingdom, population growth is slow as they have low death rate and low birth rate. Population composition. Population composition is the structure of the population with various aspects such as sex, age, literacy level, health condition, occupation, and income level. The population composition of a country is described as population pyramid, which is also called an age-sex pyramid. The total population is divided into a number of groups. Example, aged over 50 years, 5 to 9 years, etc. In each of the above groups, the percentage of the total population is subdivided into males and females. The shape of population pyramid shows the people living in that particular country. Years are shown at the bottom and the number of children below a particular age, say 15, is shown at the bottom. The bottom generally reflects the level of births. The size of the top shows the number of aged people above 65 years and reflects the number of deaths. The population pyramid shows young dependents aged below 15 years and elderly dependents aged over 65 years. The working people are in the middle group, constitute the economically active segment. In Japan, low birth rates make the pyramid narrow at the base. Decreased death rates allow a huge number of people to reach old age. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. The way in which people are spread across the Earth's surface is known as the pattern of population distribution. Population density is the number of people living in a unit area of Earth's surface. Geographical factors like topography, climate, soil, water, and minerals affect distribution of population. Social, cultural, and economic factors affect the distribution of population. Population change refers to change in the number of people during a specific time. Migration is movement of people in and out of an area.